Welcome everyone back to the channel. In this video today, we're going to be looking at how to assemble a Loog guitar. Coming up. So we're actually going to leave this spot and go to a workbench. So let's go. Okay, so let's not forget the screwdrivers. So let's start off with the back plate. As you can see, it reads Loog for Loog Guitars. And now for the screws, which we're going to mount onto the neck. Okay, so now that that's taken care of, let's add the bridge. You can add glue if you like, but I'm just pushing down. It's gonna lock in place anyway. And now to install the bridge. Alright, so now that it's looking pretty good, let's go ahead and add those tuners. On second thought, before I forget, let me add these guitar strap buttons really quick. Now to add the guitar tuners. As you can see, they're classical style tuners. Nothing too fancy, just your basic chrome tuners. And now for some candle wax. Smells like black cherries. Now what I like to do is to dip the tip of the screw into the wax before installing it. That actually helps lubricate the screw so it doesn't strip or break when installing. Keep in mind it's going to leave some holes in the candle, but it'll just melt. Oh, and when you're done, just put the candle behind the rest of the other candles and no one will know. Okay, so they give you the third, the fourth, and the fifth string. Now, the only thing about these strings is you have to tie a knot at the end of it, which should have already been done by a ball end or a bead. But I guess Loog really wants you to go full on DIY with this project. Okay, so let's restring and tune this thing. So after trimming the strings, it looks pretty decent. So let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, so this is how the guitar looks once assembled. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and rock that notification bell for future videos on gear, music, and lessons. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.